Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to combine two graphs in Google Sheets using a combo chart. This is great for compiling different data sets in one graph. First, make sure your data is structured correctly. You should have at least two sets of value you want to compare. For example, in column A, you might have months, in column B, sales number, and in column C, profit values. Now select your entire dataset, then go to Insert and click Chart. Google Sheets will generate a default chart based on your data. To combine graphs, go to the chart editor on the right. Click on Chart Type and select Combo Chart. This allows you to display different datasets in one chart. In the Customize tab, go to Series. Here you can change how dataset is displayed. For example, you can set sales as a bar chart and profit as a line graph. We can also adjust colors to make them stand out. Go to Chart and Axis Title to rename your graph. Adjust axis label and color for better clarity. Once you're happy with the look, click outside the chart to finish. That's how you combine two graphs in Google Sheets. So if this felt helpful, hit like, subscribe for more Google Sheet tips.